Yo, what is up everybody? A massive shout out for all of you sticking through the series. Good news, I finally polished off the Ableton Live project file that we've been working on for the past however many weeks. Here it is in all its glory. What a tidied up session. Everything is all nice and neat. Yeah boy. So you know what that means. Hit up the link in the description and start downloading the project file. Word of warning, I have cut down on all like the third-party plugins that I use for this project. The only one that's left is of course Serum, and all the audio effects inside of Ableton are stock Ableton ones, but I think some of them only come with Ableton Live Suite. So the two things you'll need for this Ableton project to run properly are Ableton 10.1 and a copy of Serum, the VST plugin. Let me remind you that this project is for you guys to learn from, not to just render straight as is and upload as your own track. And basically, if I see anybody doing that, I probably won't release project files again in the future. I've had a few people do it in the past. It's not a great start for your music career if you're uploading other people's tracks and then claiming it as your own. Anyway, I've uploaded to the stores like Spotify and iTunes, so I don't think you'll get very far if you did try to use it. Enough with the negative. Another reason why I've uploaded it to the stores, so if you guys want to stream it on Spotify or download a copy, you can do. Those links will be in the description as well. Once again, massive shout out for the support on the series so far. It's been incredible. Feel free to download the project file in the description, you know, remix it, rearrange it, learn from it, dig deep into like the processing and the compositional aspects of it. Maybe even save some audio processing effects chains to use in your own tracks. Here's the final master of this track. Links in the description for streaming and downloading the project file. Yeah, I'll see you next time and peace.